biglang nagpakita sa harap ko itong isang being. My first impression was he is a yogi, then a yogi with very long hair and a very long beard, and he is in a yoga position, and siya ay nagpo-float, nakalutang siya sa harap.
Yung message na ibinaba sa kanya from the Himalayas, the immortals, yun, ang pinakita sa kanya dyan yung mga immortals, si Babaji, kung tawagin natin, at ayun po yung bumaba during that time. Actually, 5 immortals po yung nakita po noon ni Kuya Ray Sibayan sa ceremony po na yun.
Connect with your ancestors, to connect where you came from. So since ang nasabi nyo is Himalayas, it's time to connect there sa energy grids doon and yung mga taong mga nakitira doon dati, which is yung mga ascended masters na nakita ninyo nung pinalibutan kayo sa isang circle ng mga divine guides.
Yung time na yon, nag-channel siya ng message, nakapikit siya, and he started speaking in different languages. For us to understand, we meditated with him, we listened closely with our heart and mind open so we would understand the deeper message. Out of everything he said, ang pinakatumatak talaga na word is Ranarashika. In Sanskrit, sabi ni Google, Ranarashika is related to the concept of war or fighting. After that, he said, Om Shanti. Om Shanti meaning universal peace.
Nagkaroon ng hangin na umiikot sa amin habang nagcha-chanting, habang nagkaroon ng channeling si Bro Ray. So napakagandang experience dahil napaka-lamig, nagkakaramdam kami ng vibration, kuryente o something. Sa bagay na hindi unforgettable experience.
Nagkaroon ng kakaibang experience sa paligid, and I saw a big mothership on top, to sa taas, round the mothership with different colors of lights underneath, to sa baba. And nakita ko rin yung mga small ships around na paikot-ikot. They were flying around, and nag-create sila dahil sa bilis ng kanilang flying, nag-create sila ng energy.